Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a pregnancy of about 7 weeks with the uterine mass, large fibroid. You can see the uterine cavity and you can see the blood flow inside the fetus. This is an early pregnancy. The patient is aged about 35 weeks. A female patient having 2 children already. The fetus looks echomechonormal. The blood flow is seen. Fetal cardiac activity is also visible. You will see later on in this video. But a large fibroid is seen in the uterine cavity. Uterine fibroids may affect the fertility. They may also impact your ability to carry a pregnancy successfully. However, most women will experience no fertility tissue or pregnancy complications as a result of these tumors. Now, approximately 5 to 10% of infertile women have fibroids. The size and location of fibroid determines whether fibroids affect fertility. Examples includes fibroid that are inside the uterine cavity, submucosal, are very high, for example, more than 6 centimeter in diameter within the wall of the uterus, that is intramural fibroids. Now you can see a large uterine mass also in the proximal and distal portion of the uterus, while the gestational sac lies in the distal portion of the uterine cavity. You can see the fetal cardiac activity, and now you can see the pregnancy Meyers slightly more than 7 weeks, 6 days. But this measurement shows 7, the gestational sac measurement shows 7 weeks 1 day. So the pregnancy measures 7 weeks plus. You can see the blood flow seen in the fetal heart. So this is a live fetus, slightly more than 7 weeks. Although many women conceive naturally despite having fibroids, the tumor size, location, and other factors can affect the conception. Submucosal fibroids located inside the uterine cavity are those that are larger in diameter, have a higher likelihood of impeding conception. When pregnancy occurs, a fertilized egg will implant into the endometrium while it is at its thickest. You can see the fetal cardiac activity. Imaging tests done during early pregnancy may show an endometrial stripe of 2 millimeter or more. In a routine pregnancy, the endometrial stripe will become home to the growing fetus. Now, most women with uterine fibroids can still get pregnant naturally. Now you can see the large mass also. This is the ovary. Now you can see the large fibroid, large mass in the middle and distal portion of the uterus. The mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency, round and to oval in shape, having slightly heterogeneous ecogensity, and there is increased blood flow seen inside the mass, you will see. And Now, women with fibroid may experience tummy abdominal pain during pregnancy, and there is risk of premature labor. In rare cases, fibroids can cause miscarriage, the loss of pregnancy during the first 23 weeks. Most women with uterine fibroid can still get pregnant naturally. Most women with fibroid will not be infertile. However, it is best to consult with a fertility specialist to determine if the fibroids are hampering the ability to conceive. So the baby and fetus is rarely affected unless bleeding is substantial. Even if you don't experience symptoms, they most likely won't affect the baby. However, the risk of miscarriage and premature delivery does increase slightly if the fibroids is present. They occasionally cause the baby to be in the abnormal position for delivery. You can see the blood flow. There is increased blood flow seen in these fibroids, suggestive of the malignant nature. Uterine fibroids are abnormal, non-cancerous growths that develop on the woman's uterus. Once a woman is pregnant, fibroid cannot be removed because the uterus is prone to bleed more than normally, so women will have to live with them until after the baby is born. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.